Hey, this is Roger Daviston, personal development consultant, coach, helping you think different so you can act different. Coming to you from Kyiv, Ukraine. This is Dnieper River, and behind me is a region of Kyiv called Podil. That's what they say in Ukrainian. But I want to talk to you a little bit more today about gratitude and what it does for the speaker and why it's so important. So stand by. So as we talked about in another video recently, gratitude comes from your heart, and it's a sense of thinking about things that you are grateful for, and it's more than just mouthing thank you, but it's a condition of your heart. You know, you have this condition where you're grateful in all things. A couple of 5 or 6 years ago, I had a client of mine hire me to help him with his CSRs, and so the script I wrote was always gratitude as part of it. And the CSRs were to say, it didn't matter what the person said when they called, but it was always, thank you for calling, I can certainly help you with that. Have we ever been to your home before? It sort of grab control of the call, but it's always gratitude. All of the CSRs were not expressing gratitude. And so I said, here's what I want you to do, guys. I want you to do some homework, and I want you to write a 500-word article on all of the benefits of gratitude. And so they did. And once they did that, here's some of the things that came out of their research. This isn't my research, this was the CSR's research. So some of the research was, one of the things that gratitude does, in addition to helping the speaker feel empathetic, is it makes the speaker feel less selfish. So it also makes the speaker feel more at ease and less nervous. It also helps the speaker build more connection with the prospect or with the person that's hearing the speaker. So gratitude does a lot of good things for us as salespeople, as customer service representatives. If you're trying to build that trust and that rapport with somebody, gratitude helps do that. Now, why does gratitude, if you're really less selfish or not as selfish, what does that do for gratitude? Here's what it does, in my mind. It adds trust to the process because you're not so concerned about your commission. You're more concerned about them, their needs, and what they want. If a customer or client ever senses that the money is more important than the relationship, they're going to go somewhere else. If you think of it like a triangle, you have an A position and a B position and a C position, and A is your position and B is your, let's say, your husband, and you're the wife. So you have an A position, you always want your husband in your B position, and if golf ever gets over in the B position, you're gonna be mad. It's gonna mess up the relationship. So when you have a relationship with the client, you've got you and the client, A, B, and if C, the money, ever goes over to the B position, you're gonna lose the client because they're gonna see lack of trust. So gratitude, always be grateful for the things that you're thankful for. Have a grateful heart in all of your things that you do in life. Life's not easy, life comes at you hard, but if you'll persevere through the adversity with gratitude in your heart, you'll be in a better place. Hey, I hope this video helped you. If you think I can help you, reach out to me, Roger at rogerdaviston.com. Or you can go to rogerdaviston.com, and on the right-hand corner, my schedule comes up, and grab a free appointment. I'll talk to you for free for 30 minutes. We'll see what we can do to help you. Thanks for joining in, and God bless. See ya.